Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2009 Ford Focus TDCi hatch, stock reference number 4051. The shape runs from the 11th month 2008 through to the 7th month 2011. It has a G6DD, 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. G6DD, 2 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the left-hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage. Radiator grille, it's got a tidy front bumper cover, right hand headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand headlight. This vehicle is fitted with factory 16-inch alloy mags. Left front has a good tyre, the rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. There's the left hand tail light, it's got a tidy rear bumper cover. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door has 2 small dents. Right power door mirror, indicator type. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 16-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a grey leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left sun visor, right sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.